guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys some tips and tricks to get a good glow without looking like greasy or even like sitting in the sun all day and you're like a sweaty, oily mess. I love fresh skin, fresh face. Honestly, I really don't have a lot of makeup on right now and I feel like I have good coverage and my skin is looking glowy, but I'm not looking like a dirty rat. So let's get into it. First up, I love to put this on my shoulders and like my arms, and I even spray it as, I guess, a setting spray, but not really because it probably doesn't set your makeup. But I just love to put it on after I'm done all my makeup because you can look really, really powdery, and when you look powdery, if you're gonna wear it for a long time, it's gonna set into your fine lines, your wrinkles. Even if you're 16, it's gonna show creases that you didn't even know existed. So you wanna put something really like that just brings your face back to life, really. This is the Iconic London Spray and I love it. You can honestly spray it wherever you want. It smells really nice. It doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel really heavy and gooey and gunky and ugh. And it does not set into my pores and make me break out. A lot of them can do that to me. So I'm really happy with it and it gives me like a nice little glow. So I love to spray that when I'm all done on my face. And I love the Catch the Light, and it has, so inside it has like the hard side, and then inside there's like a liquid, and I actually have that on my cheeks right now. I love to put that on right after I'm done my foundation because it just brings my cheekbones back to life, and again, it gives me more depth in my face. It makes my face look like a little bit more three-dimensional, if you will. I'm really happy with it. The price is right, and I just think it suits everyone. It's like this opaly, celestial type of color, and yeah, it looks perfect and radiant in the sun, and I actually think it's really pretty when the winter time's gonna come up and I'm gonna lose a lot of my sun, my tan, whatever. So I love it. It's so pretty. And honestly, you can wear that even without foundation. So down the beach, I'll just like tap it onto my cheeks. I'll tap it onto my my lids, and it just like brings your face back to life. It makes you glow. Up, I really am liking the Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier. So in the wintertime, I'm gonna have to get a whole new shade because this is caramel, which is very dark. And in the wintertime, my face is not this dark. I don't sun my face, but I do put tanner on it to match the rest of my body. But I love it. It's oil-free, it's not heavy, it lets my freckles show just a teeny tiny bit, nothing too crazy. It feels really nice on my face, and it's not a heavy, thick foundation. And let me tell you guys, a little bit goes a really long way. I always squirt out a little too much because I'm a little too rough. I need to remember to be a little gentler with products, but you barely need any and it will cover your whole face. It's great. I really love the Hello Fab, the Bendy Avocado Concealer. It's very, very nice. It's very refreshing. It's very hydrating. It's not heavy. It's not thick. I'll sometimes, if I'm just like, I didn't sleep the night before and I'm not wearing foundation, but I'm looking rough in the eyes, I'll just like tap a little bit right here and it really does the job. It's just, you could wear it with like a full face makeup and it will be a very full coverage, or you could wear it with basically with no makeup and just kind of hide your little imperfections if you have like a little pimple happening. I really, really like it. It doesn't break me out. And like I said, you could wear this a little bit or you could go full coverage with it. It's very diverse. Then I love this color, and this is White Russian by Buxom, and it's their lipstick. I'm wearing it right now. I just feel like it gives me that sun-kissed lips, that sun-kissed look. I don't know, it looks really good with blush. It looks good without any makeup on. It looks good with makeup on. I just think it's the perfect color for that like glow, that summer glow. I don't know, it's like this baby doll pink, and when I think baby doll pink, I don't know, I just think like just wearing it goes with my tan. I think it reflects well with the highlight. They just go together really nicely. It's not over the top. It's a comfortable wear. I love Buxom lipsticks. I say this all the time. They are my favorite brand for lipsticks. They will never let me down, I don't think. I don't think it's possible. I love this baby. I filmed with this not long ago, and it's the Little Wanderers Fever palette. I love it. The reason I love this palette so much, it's just full of, you know, blushes, highlights, eyeshadows. You could just do so much with this, and what I love about it, it's for all my natural girls out there. You just, a little bit goes such a long way. Right now, this is what I have on my eyes. I have like the little champagne shimmery on my lids, and it just makes your eyes open up and makes your eyes look natural. When you're in the light, it catches those sunlight and you get like little specks of glittery shimmer on your eyes without looking too obnoxious. It's just very, very subtle, very pretty, and it's very wearable. You can wear it all day, you can wear it at nighttime. It's just the perfect little palette, and when I travel, it's definitely coming with me to the beach this weekend. My other favorite highlight at the moment, it is the Becca. It's probably been around forever. It is, what color is this? This is Becca Opal, and I have this on top of my Celestial Catch the Light, and it's just a very beautiful highlight. It looks great on everyone. It looks beautiful in the sun. It's like a champagne color. I love champagne. I love rose gold. They are just so beautiful, and I think they look great on everyone from fair to dark skin. They're just beautiful, and I feel like the reason they're so beautiful because they remind me of like the sun, they remind me of the beach, they remind me of being outside. I don't know, is it weird? If you understand me, I feel like we're bonding here, but if you don't, I'm sorry, I'm just like strange, I don't know. But I love you guys, and that is how I get my glow on. And honestly, I'm using all these products right now on my face. Very easy. And yeah, makeup doesn't have to be hard. Keep it fun, keep it playful, try new things, and if you don't succeed, wipe it off and try again. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon.